complain, then you remain. But if you praise, you rise.
Nung nagsa-start yung He's in There, hindi masyadong warm yung pag-welcome sa akin ng mga tao. I was hated a lot. Nasaktan po ako. Hindi nila natanggap na ako yung gaganap na character na Max. Natanong ko yung sarili ko, is this really for me? Got a lot of negative comments. Siyempre, may times na medyo parang nawawalan ako ng gana, na parang nadidemotivate ako. But then, I worked so hard for this. Diba? I attended auditions after auditions, go-sees after go-sees. And, yun nga, there also came a time wherein naghihintay ako na magkaroon ng project. And now that it's being